Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Maargdarshak Play School at Little Scholar High School. We will learn slanting letters which are easily traceable. Okay, slanting lesson. We will learn different letters using slanting lines. Yes, different letters using slanting lines. We will learn different letters using slanting lines. Yes, already we have learned slanting line. How is slanting line, children? Say me. Yes, slanting line. We will learn capital letters using slanting lines. Yes, we will learn capital letters using these slanting lines. Different patterns of strokes. Yes. So, these slanting lines which are easily traceable. Now, we will learn that letters. Yes. What is this? This is box, children. What is this? Box. Okay. X for box. X for ox. X for box. See, X letter is written on the box here. Yes. OX, ox. BOX, box. So, X for ox, X for box. Now, shall we write how to write X? See the board how I am writing X. You will start from the red line and come slanting line to the red line. Blue line, second blue line. You will start from the red line and come down to the second blue line. Yes, slanting line. Which line is this now? Slanting line. Again, from this side, one more slanting line. Yes, this is X. X for ox, X for box. This is box, okay? X, capital X, big X. Understood, children? How to write? One slanting line from red line to second blue line. Which line is this? Slanting line. One slanting line from red line to second blue line, and one more slanting line, and one more slanting line, and it should join here in between the first blue line and come down. Two slanting lines, opposite slanting lines. Okay, they should join in between. Yes. One slanting line from red line to blue line. One slanting line from red line to blue line. Understood, children? One slanting line from red line to blue line. Then one more slanting line from red line to blue line. Two slanting lines. Two slanting lines. What is this? X. What is this? X for box, X for ox. One more time, see the board. From red line to second blue line, slanting line. Yes, one slanting line. Now, from that side to this side, opposite side, one more slanting line. Two slanting lines. How many slanting lines we used here? Two slanting line. What is this letter? X, capital X. What is this? Capital X. Now, next letter we will learn Y. Y for yacht, Y for yellow. You can see this yacht in where? Yes, in water, no? Ships, yacht, they will move in water. So, Y for yellow. Yellow color, you all know yellow color? Yes. Which color is this? Yellow. So, Y for yellow. Y for yacht, Y for yellow color. So, how to write Y now? See the board. Slanting line from red to blue. Stop. Slanting line from red to blue. One slanting line. Then now big slanting line from red to blue, opposite side. Yes, this is Y. This is Y. Which letter is this? X. Which letter is this? Y. Once again shall we write? Yes. One small slanting line. Yes, one small slanting line. Then one big slanting line. This is Y. Understood, children? One small slanting line, one big slanting line. First you will write one small slanting line. Yes, one small slanting line touching only two lines, up line, down line. Yes, first blue line. Now start from red line and come down to the second blue line, big slanting line. One small slanting line, one big slanting line. Which letter is this? Y. Which letter is this? Y. Y for yellow. Y for yellow color. Once again, one small slanting line. Yes, one small slanting line. Then one more big slanting line. Which letter is that? Y. Which letter is that? Y. Now you understood how to write these two letters. Which letter is this? X. Y. X. Y. X, Y. Now we will learn one more letter. What is this, children? Z, O, O, zoo. Z, O, O, zoo. You all like to go to zoo? Yes. What we will see in zoo? Many varieties of animals. Animals will be there. Birds will be there. Snakes will be there. Crocodiles will be there. Yes, hippopotamus will be there. Many types of animals and birds, monkeys will be there. So, zoo is a place where we keep animals. Zoo is a place where we keep animals and we people will go and see that animals in the zoo. Animals are kept safe in the zoo. Animals are kept safe in the zoo. They will give food for animals in the zoo. So, zoo is the place where we keep animals. So, Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Zebra is a animal. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Now, shall we learn how to write Z? Very easy, children. See the board. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. One slanting line. One slanting line and one more sleeping line. This is Z. Is it clear, children? Very easy, no? One sleeping line, one slanting line and one more sleeping line. Two sleeping lines, one slanting line. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. One slanting line. One slanting line and one more sleeping line. What is this? Z. What is this, children? Z. Once again, yes. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. One slanting line up to down. One slanting line up to down. Touch the second blue line up to down. Then on the blue line, on the second blue line, one more sleeping line. On the second blue line, one more sleeping line. Which letter is this? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Once again, see. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. One slanting line. Yes. Again, one more sleeping line on the blue line. Which letter is that? Z. Come on. Now, three letters we have learned today. Come on, say which letters? X. X. X for box. X for box. X for ox. X. X. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Y. 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 Which letter is it? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z. 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 Now shall we write once again all the three letters down? Yes. See how to write X. One slanting line. Red line to blue line. Red line to second blue line. One slanting line. One more slanting line from red line to blue. And it should touch here. First blue line it should touch. Both the lines should touch. See here. One slanting line. Yes. One slanting line. Red line to second blue line. One more slanting line from that side. Yes. One slanting line from this side. One slanting line from that side. So two slanting lines. Yes. Which letter is this? X. Now we will write Y. See how to write Y. Small slanting line. Yes. Small slanting line. And from this side, one more big slanting line. One small slanting line. One big slanting line. Understood, children? Now, which letter is this? Z. Shall we learn how to write Z? Yes. See the board, how I am writing Z. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. And then one slanting line. One slanting line and one more sleeping line and one more sleeping line on the blue line. One more sleeping line on the blue line. Understood? Today how many letters we have learned? X, Y, Z. Which letters we have learned today? X, Y, Z. Understood, children? Easy letters. Learn it. Write each letter two times. Is it clear? Yes. These all letters we are using slanting lines. For these letters we are using slanting lines. And which line is this, children? Standing line. Yes. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Which line is this? Slanting line. So till now we have learned alphabets using standing line, using sleeping line, and also slanting line. Yes, we have learned alphabets using standing line, using sleeping line, and using slanting line. So these are the letters, children. Now once again we will read. Which letter is this? Which alphabet is this? X. Which alphabet is this? X. This one, X. 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 These children, Y. 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 This one, Z. 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 Come on, say X, Y, Z. Say again. X, Y, Z. Again. X, Y, Z. Once again. X, Y, Z. Once again say, children, which letter is this? X, Y, Z. Again. X, Y, Z. You are saying with me, you are repeating with me. Come on, say along with me. Which letter is this? Yes. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Understood, children? How to write X, Y, Z? Yes. X, how you will write? You will touch the red line and come slanting line down. And one more slanting line from the red line, opposite side, 2, okay. One up to down, slanting lines, up to down, and one more also up to down, slanting line, up to down, slanting line, up to down, slanting line. Yes, this is X. Now Y, how to write? Small slanting line, big slanting line. Yes. One small slanting line, one big slanting line. Now Z, how to write Z? One sleeping line on the red line, one sleeping line on the red line, one slanting line, yes, slanting line up to down, then one more sleeping line on the blue line, one more sleeping line on the blue line. So today we have learned 3 letters. What are those? X, Y, Z. So your homework will be X you will write 2 pages, Y you will write 2 pages, Z also you will write 2 pages. Understood, children? X you will write 2 pages, Y also you will write 2 pages, and Z also you will write 2 pages. Your homework is each letter 2 pages you will write. Come on, read again. X, 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 X. Y, 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 Y. This letter Z, 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 Z. Which letter is this? X, X, Y, Z. Come on, say X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Z is the last letter in our alphabet. Z is the last letter. When you are writing alphabet, we will start with A. How is A? Yes, this is A. We will start with A. Yes, this is the first letter in alphabet A. And Z is the last letter. Z is the last letter. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Yes, children, you will write your homework very neatly. Yes, each letter 2 pages. X 2 pages, Y 2 pages, and Z 2 pages. Write it very neatly in a straight line. Touch the lines and write. Touch the first red line and the blue line. No touching the 4th line. Okay, we did not use this 4th line. Only 3 lines you will use, and you will write very neatly in your classwork. Thank you, children.